You are going to love the 2019 Versa. With its roomy and inviting interior, impressive technology, and exceptional gas mileage, the Nissan Versa is smart to own and fun to drive. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, rear spoiler, power mirrors, traction control system, fog lights, remote trunk release, backup camera, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, push button start. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.